Did you know you can turn long, boring videos into viral clips and actually make money with them? Let me show you how with Opus Clip. Opus Clip is an AI tool that repurposes long videos into short, engaging clips in seconds. And with the massive demand for short-form content on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, this is a golden opportunity to make money online. Here are two powerful ways you can profit with Opus Clip. First, offer it as a service. Find creators, podcasters, or coaches who already make long videos but don't have time to repurpose them. Use Opus Clip to instantly generate multiple short clips optimized for social media. Then, sell this as a service on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or directly to creators. One podcast episode can give you 10 to 15 viral clips. You can charge $50 to $100 per batch. Just 5 clients can bring you $500 per week. Second, TikTok monetization. Instead of working with clients, you can grow your own TikTok account by posting viral clips made with Opus Clip. Consistency is key. Post daily, grow followers fast, and once you hit the requirements, you can monetize through TikTok Creator Fund, TikTok Series, or even brand sponsorships. The more viral content you post, the higher your earning potential. So whether you want to start a side hustle offering video editing services or build your own TikTok account and get paid for your views, Opus Clip is the tool to start with. Try it today, create your first clips, and turn content into cash.